Hi, my name is Jade, and this is Hope.
Hi.
So, today we are going to talk about a plant cell and the model.
Okay.
It's
alright.
Okay, this is the nucleus. The nucleus, what it does, is the structure that controls the cell and genetic materials, the DNA, and controls the cell active.
Ow. Yes,
Are
that
you
is what
okay?
that does right here. Not this part, but the outside of it.
Okay, you must be wondering, what is this wood-like structure right here? What is it for? What does it represent?
Well,
It represents the cell wall. It's kind of the brick. So think of it as a brick wall.
it's strong supporting layer around the cell membrane.
And you must be wondering, what
What's
the heck?
a membrane?
Yeah, like what the heck is a membrane? A membrane is kind of like a door. It opens this door for other people. But in this case, it opens for the other cells and closes for other cells.
So a cell membrane is protective barrier around the cell that regulates what enters and leaves cells.
Yes. So, you must be wondering, what is this area right here? What is the green area behind this? This is called the cytoplasm.
The cytoplasm. Okay, so the cytoplasm. Okay, thank you. So the cytoplasm is like a gel-like material inside a cell that supports and protects cell organisms.
Yes,
Organelles.
organelles. And you must be wondering, what are these organelles that are in here? Well, see all these little things that are inside this?
Those are
Organelles. You must be wondering, really? Those are organelles?
Those look like disgusting blobs of trash. Well,
Exactly.
listen, that's not what they are. They are.
Yeah. Now, let's go with the cytoskeleton. That's an example.
Right here. This one. Right
Cytoskeleton.
So the cytoskeleton is it helps cells can maintain its shape, which means that so you
See how it's like brick-like?
Yeah.
It's kind of like a brick.
Yeah.
But there's two different ways. There's a eukaryotic plant cell and a eukaryotic animal cell.
Yes.
How you could tell from the difference of those two is this is brick-like.
And then the other one is like a circle. Like
It's a circle.
A big block, kind of.
It's like a circle with no protection.
Yes.
No protection. Why is that? You must be wondering.
Okay.
So you will get that later. Now
Let's
move
on
on.
to the rough yard.
Rough ER. Okay.
So
Moving on to the rough ER.
this rough yard is just a little example. It's not exactly what it looks like, but we tried our best.
Okay.
So the rough yard,
The liquid components of the cell membranes are assembled along with the proteins that are exported from cell. And
Okay.
you must be wondering, what are these little things on these ribosomes? Yeah, is that right? Yeah, ribosome.
So what's on it are ribosomes. So I'm gonna go over that. I'm gonna go over what the rough yard does. It's a lipid lipids. Nope.
Compounds. Sorry, we're terrible at reading, as you can see.
Lipid components.
Liquid.
No, that's lipid. Of cell membrane are assembled along with proteins that are exploited from cell. Okay, anyway, that just means that all the ribosomes, which contain protein and like give out protein, go to the rough yard.
Yes.
And you might be asking, what's a ribosome? Well, this is what a ribosome is.
Yes. It could be also located in the chloroplasm. It's everywhere in the cell. Okay. Now you must be wondering, is there another ER? Well, there is another ER. It's called a smooth ER. And right here is our smooth ER. Sorry.
Okay, and a smooth ER contains oh gosh. Contains enzymes that perform
Symptoms of membranes of liquid and the defection of drugs.
I got it. Okay. So contains enzymes that performs synthesis. You know, like how a plant grows or something, of membrane lipids and detoxification of drugs.
It's alright. It's alright. We got this far. Okay.
No.
Okay. Then you must be wondering, what is a shiny round ball figure like? Well, this is the large
Vacuole.
vacuole. Okay, the large vacuole.
What does that do?
What does that do, and why is it so large? Stores materials such as carbohydrates, water, salt, and proteins. It collects all that stuff in this large ball.
Yes.
It's kind of like it could be this big.
Yeah.
Okay. Then, moving on is our Golgi.
Right here.
Yes, our beautiful, wonderful Golgi.
Now, what does a Golgi do?
A Golgi.
It's number 7.
It's for, we call it Golgi, but it's really a Golgi body.
Yes.
Okay. It modifies stores in packages of proteins from the ER.
So it basically, this ER right here, the ribosomes from there travel to the Golgi body, and then they just basically package them up and send them off.
Just think of it as, everyone likes to use Amazon, right? You order stuff online. This is what it's kind of like.
So, then, what is this thing right here?
You must be wondering, what is this ribbon-like thing right here? It's a mitochondria. Yes. We call it the mighty mitochondria.
So, mitochondria, sites of aerobic. Okay. So, a mitochondria is basically just the powerhouse of the cell. It powers all of the stuff that you need for a plant cell or a animal cell. Do they have? Yeah, they have it. Okay.
Yeah.
So then, what have we not gotten to? This one right here.
Right here.
Chloroplast.
The chloroplast. Sounds amazing, doesn't it? Well, it is.
Okay, so, number 6. Chloroplast, sites of photosynthesis uses energy from sun to make food or for plants. Okay, so it's basically what you learn in science in like 4th or 5th grade, where you learn about plants, how they take energy from the sun and from water, and they take it and then they use it energy, just like I said. That's what the chloroplast does. That's what makes all that happen.
Okay, let's just throw a little fun fact at them.
Then
that's a fun nucleus.
That's it.
Okay.
Kind of.
Okay.
So yeah. What are you doing?
Nucleolus.
Oh, okay. So the nucleolus is right here. This is the nucleus.
This is our little fun fact.
This is a little fun fact. It's inside the nucleus, and it's called a nucleolus. And what does it do?
It's found inside a nucleus and produces ribosomes.
Yes. Yeah, okay, so this just produces the ribosomes that go to the rough yard, that go to the Golgi body. Then they get shipped off.
And people like to call it the little nucleus.
Yep. Okay, that's it.
Thank
Thank you for watching.
Thank you. Remember, this is a plant cell, not an animal cell.
Like and subscribe. Peace out, my dudes.